So for a customer staring this containerization movement in the face, what you can expect on day one is the need to repackage and take stock of your existing applications. So some customers may have 10, some customers may have 1,000 applications. On day one, the most important step is to have a catalog of everything. And I'm talking about even that stuff in the dark corner that no one's touched in 10 years. All that needs to be taken account of. Once you have an inventory of your application stack, the next thing is prioritizing which things need to be containerized first. Now you're moving on to what we call day two. We're going to also assume that you're not going to waste your time trying to run something like Kubernetes from scratch. Do not do that. Now, if you click the button, like I'm recommending, your day two is going to be very different than some of the ping you've read on the internet. Now, what you can do as day two is once you have a containerized application, your next task is just to describe how Kubernetes should run that application. And that's where your team's going to spend a lot of time basically serializing their operational needs into Kubernetes configuration files. And then when those things are ready, you can point them at Kubernetes and start to transition your application at the proper pace for your organization. Now you're going to be in a state where some things will be running in Kubernetes and some things will be running in those virtual machines. And then when you get to day three, you're going to see a path where you're going to have a lot of repeatable patterns. And what those repeatable patterns are, you can apply back to the rest of your application stack. And the truth is, some applications will run much better on virtual machines, but what you will find and what we tend to see is the far majority will benefit from running under something like Kubernetes, where you can benefit from density and consistency as you deploy across multiple regions and zones.